welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. Umseleko noSamke, they're at CPAC. They decide they're going to go to Macele and tell her the good news about the pregnancy. Ukuthi uSamke is now carrying ubaby Mseleko. So they head over to CPAC. Macele welcomes them. Macele makes a funny comment saying, how I'm not going to say anything about your dress because you did mention last time ukuthi you like flat dresses, because at some point in some previous episode Macele said to Samke how need two yini. I think that first time when she met with her for that lunch when Mseleko was still in hospital, athi uSamke how why athi ngibona the dress you're wearing, athi no cha I'm not ngingedwa. And then they laugh about it. So Mseleko is like, yes, Macele is making things easy for them because she has now started the meta lebeze ngayo la, so things are now easy. So they reach out for the pregnancy test, give it to her. She looks at it and Macele is happy for them. She's like, yes, this is good, I'm happy Umseleko usuwinile, he got what he wanted. And then Umseleko reminds her, remember what you said ukuthi mina am I still fertile when I said I want to number 5. And then they laugh about it because Macele apparently asked him, are you still fertile, when he was asking for number 5. And Mseleko wathi, yes I am, but Macele to show that you are fertile, I want to see umayeni noma umangwabe bekhulelwe. So if I'm not seeing that, then I'm doubting. Sathi Mseleko nje, hey yazini benibhizi ngabaza amandla ami, ngabaza ama-capabilities yami, domestic capabilities. So manje nakhu uSamke is pregnant. It shows ukuthi I am very much still fertile. And then uSamke says that we are still in shock. Hatha on shock yini. So athi Mseleko yena so now Macele, because he cannot go to the delivery room, ucela nje ukuthi Macele abe khona, arrange everything like baby clothes and all those things. Macele nje seems keen for this role. He says that yonke into is still exciting for Umseleko noSamke because kusesekusha, so there are no tears nje, it's all laughter. And then ahleka Macele athi here's uSamke, because she just got here and she's pregnant already, it seems like she just wants to start quickly. Avele nje athatha beke 1-2 avele acede masinya because Umseleko wants a lot of kids. And then ahleke uSamke athi that's not a problem as long as wena uzosibabysithela. Athi hayi ngababysitha if you're going to go and come back with another one. Bayihlekele vele. And then Umseleko abashiye ke Macele amtshele ukuthi so you're going to live Mzumbe in the main house. And then she says, I think a lot now it's going to be like I'm the one that's taking you to Mzumbe, or manje indaba ye pregnancy izoba ngathi uMacele, because these wives don't want to speak to their husbands. How uMacele is Macele venting to Samke about the other wives, like venting to the new wife about the other wives. Uyahleba umama emdala. Anyway, akhulume kanjalo ke athi uSamke makes comments in her diaries that they should be addressing the issues to Mseleko, not to Macele and whatever. And then she says that if need be, and she wants to be able to defend herself, because like Production asked her if she thinks Mseleko will defend her. Ati she's not sure. He's unpredictable, but she wants to be able to defend herself, vocally of course, but if need be, and otherwise. So meaning that she wants to be able to defend herself vocally, if need be, physically as well. Anyway, Umseleko at the lodge asked her to give him amaphilisi wakhe, medication yakhe. Athi uSamke uyazini, I did not sign up for this. I hope he recovers quickly because indaba yamaphilisi nani I'm not cut out for this. I'm sorry. Unsubscribe. Like the comments Samke makes, like she's just like if she was like old fashioned, I'd say she's so high school, but now she's like so 2000, so 2K, I don't know. Anyway, she makes those comments saying that it's not her vibe to be giving medication. I'm sorry, it's not her vibe. Umselegu nje better needs to recover quickly. And then there's some funny things that are happening because Umselegu, when all these times when he's with these pregnancy, these scenes, it seems like they were shot before he got really sick. Because I saw some comments on the Twitter streets that it seems like these scenes were shot when he was not yet that sick. Because like the switch up between when he's busy with the pregnancy stuff and then when he goes to the trip. I mean, like the previous episode, he was like sick. Now he's like showing these pregnancy scenes and he's not that sick. Still seems strong. He's driving and all that. And even his face like looks like he's still healthy. So it seems like it's true, but they're just trying to squeeze in the pregnancy scenes now, later on, to seem like they only happen now after the paid lobola, but actually the pregnancy scenes actually happened like a while back. Anyway, Umselegu ehamba goes to Mzumbe to Make's house to fetch them ukuthi sebahamba baye trip. Brief say ukuthi hey, last time uMayeni noMacele there was a fight. Kuvele nje kwasuka impi. uMakhumalo athi I'm happy I was not there because I don't like fights. And then she goes to Umnini. Umnini uyakhala saying that she doesn't seem like she's going to go to the trip because umawakhe, the way umawakhe was speaking on the phone, obviously umawakhe akekho, probably usoshabeni. So the way his mom was speaking, it seems like he's not going to go to a trip, and he's sad. Ninja was crying. And then Ahambe Gamsele goes to Sipak to fetch the kids there. But no Snape because Macele did say she's not part of our family trip, she's not going. And then they all drive there. Nomangwabe and he did go to see Umangwabe. Umangwabe she's taking Umawande to the doctor because she's got flu, and then they're gonna meet there. And then they all arrive at the venue. The venue looks beautiful. They're all happy. The kids are happy. And then Umangwabe no Makhumalo, they seem to get along really well. And they sort of like divide rooms, who's going to sleep where. Makhumalo lets Umangwabe take the warmer rooms because it seems like it's going to it's like a tense situation. And then they all go to dinner. They sit around the fire. And then they go dish up to come and sit there. Usne is sitting there, ubheka ifoni yakhe. She's saying that no one's talking to her, that's why she's just sitting there, ikofi phone. Well, Umangwabe had said that this is her last family trip with the Mselegu family because yena uyahamba. It seems Umangwabe was serious when she said that she's leaving Umselegu. So if this is her last family trip, it means she's just there for her goodbyes, or she's just there to just be there for this trip so that her kids are there, or she's just doing it for her kids. And that after that, uyahamba Umangwabe. I don't know when she's leaving, or if the next episodes are going to show us when she leaves, or we're going to have to wait for the next season. Anyway, Umangwabe keeps referring to this thing, but even last time when she planned Mselegu's 50th birthday, she did mention that she's throwing the birthday party as like a farewell, so that Mselegu can say at least Mangwabe once did something nice for him, even though Mselegu hardly says something good about her, but at least she would have done something nice for him. So Mangwabe she's there, and then she says Usne. She keeps on giving Sneh the side eye, because, and then she says this is the first time they see Usne after she went on that podcast and spoke all those lies about her and Uma Khumalo, saying that they don't like her, and all those things. So Uti Umangwabe, for Sneh to be isolating herself like that, it's actually because there's a saying that says a guilty heart has no rest. There's no rest for the wicked. So Snenje, the reason why she's unsettled, because she knows all those things that she was saying in that podcast were lies. So now She's isolating herself and behaving like that because she knows what she did. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.